Welcome to the fashion show like no other, where nature becomes the runway. In the heart of Wanawisata, Yogyakarta, history made on August 13, 2017 by Yayasan Pendidikan Astra-Michael D, Ruslim, YPA-MDR and Indonesian Fashion Chamber IFC, Jogja. The very first fashion shows in Wanawisata, where the vibrant hues of red and grey met the serene green of Wanawisata forest. The catwalk showcased the artistry of Batik, Tegalrejo, and featured a stunning collection of 90 masterpieces by renowned Indonesian Fashion Chamber designers, including Lia Mustafa, Dany Paraswati, Philip Iswardono, and many more. But that's not all. The show also highlighted collaborative Batik creations from SMK Negeri 2 and small-medium enterprises from Gedangsari. This event celebrated the harmony between fashion and nature, where elegance meets the wilderness. Join the celebration of extraordinary achievements. Stay tuned for incredible records and achievements from Asia Book of Records.